Camp Mystic in Texas is planning to reopen after last July's deadly flooding killed 27 campers and counselors. The camp is now facing a fifth lawsuit from a victim's family. Those powerful floods last 4th of July killed nearly 150 people in that region. That included 19-year-old Catherine Ferruzzo, her co-camp counselor, and 25 Mystic campers. Catherine's parents, John and Andrea, are among 27 families who helped pass legislation prohibiting camps in FEMA-designated floodplains and requiring emergency training and other safety measures. There are differing opinions about the reopening of that camp this year.
What went through your head when you heard that Camp Mystic is reopening this summer?
Shock.
Very disrespectful.
Yeah.
It just seems to be like it's all just business as usual.
We do it right, that girls will have an amazing experience and they will gain so much for being together.
There will also be 100 flood warning sirens built along the river there. One child is still missing today after that flooding from July.